Hi everyone, welcome to this session. In this session, I am continuing caselet data interpretation. First of all, we need to read the information carefully which is provided in this passage. After that, based on that passage, we need to give some conclusions according to the given information. Once you got this entire information which is provided in this passage, then the problem solving is very simple. Once you have done with all the things, all the values which you have to calculate in this passage according to the information, then only you need to go for the questions. First you need to focus on the information, and then what the exact information is given and what you have to calculate. Based on that, you need to go for the questions, right? This is a given passage. Once look at the passage. Here the passage which is given as the data given below is about students studying three different classes, that is 8th, ninth and 10th. And see, here the information is very clear that that particular information is about how many students are studying in three different classes, 8th, ninth and 10th. In these three different classes, how many students are studying, that is the data in this passage. Once look at the first line. Here the information is that there are 125 male student in class 8 and 9 together. Here in class 8th and ninth together, class 8th and ninth together, male students, here we are talking about male student, both class 8th and 9 together, total males are 125. Total males are 125. And next, after that, total number of female students studying in class 10, that is here in class 10 female students, which is equal to how much it is, 40 more than the number of male students studying class 10. Number of male students studying class 10, sorry, class 8, male class 8. This is one information. And next, here it is total number of students studying in class 10th. Class 10th total number of students studying class 10, which is equal to 360. Class 10th total 360. And next, number of females studying in class 8 and 9 is 10 and 20 less than respectively than the number of males studying in the same class. See, number of female students studying class 8. Class 8 female. Here the information is that class 8 female and class 9th female. Class 8 female, class 9th female, that particular value. First, class 8 female, that is 10 less than the 10 less than number of male students. Number of male students of same class, 8th class male, and here it is 9th class male minus how much less, here 9th class females are 20 less, therefore minus 20. And next, one more information is that last one, total number of students studying in class 8. Class 8 total, which is equal to 150. Class 8 total, that is equal to 150. This is the total information which is provided in this passage. Now from this passage, we have to calculate each and every class, males, females and also total. Now how can we calculate those values? Once look at here. See, if you observe carefully, class 8 total is equal to x. So what I will take is class 8 total is x. Therefore, in this class 8, I am just taking this entire three classes, class 8, class 9 class 10. Now I am splitting them into two parts, males and females. Male and female. Male and female. Male and female. And here two total values are given. One is class 8 total and one is class 10 total. These two values are given. Class 8 total, that is 150. Class 10 total, which is 360. Now let us consider that number of males in class 8, which is equal to x, then the automatically number of females in class 8, that is equal to, here it is females in class 8, that is number of males in that class, that is x, which we already consider, minus 10. X minus 10. This is about class 8. And next, one more information, 9th class female candidates. 9th class male candidates you don't know, right? And next, 8th class males and 9th class males together, it is 125, right? So as we all know that 8th class males are x. So automatically from this 9th class male students, which is equal to 125 minus x. So 9th class male candidates 125 minus x. 125 minus x. This statement is done. Whereas coming to female candidates, 9th class female candidates are 9th class male candidates minus 20. Here 9th class male candidates are 125 minus x. So automatically female candidates are 125 minus x minus 20, which is equal to 105 minus x. Here this value 105 minus x. This is about 9th class female candidates. 9th class female candidates are 105 minus x. And next coming to 10th class. 10th class total 360. And one more that 10th class female candidates. 10th class female candidates are 40 more than 8th class male candidates. Here 8th class male candidates already we consider that value as x, right? So this is x. So females in 10th class, which is x plus 40. X plus 40. So automatically the whatever the value left over, total is 360. Total is 360. In that females are x plus 40. Females are x plus 40. Now the remaining value which is left over, that is 360 minus x minus 40. That is equal to how much? 320 minus x. 320 minus x, that is the total value of 10th class. Now if you observe carefully, here the total of this entire 8th class total, x plus x minus 10, which is equal to 150. Now from this 2x is equal to 160, x is equal to 80. The value of x is 80. Once you know the value of x, then it is very easy to calculate each and every individual value. Here this value is 80. Next this value 80 minus 10, 70. Next this value 125 minus 80. 125 minus 80, what is that? 45. Next 105 minus 80, 25. 320 minus 80. 320 minus 80, that is 320 minus 80, 240. Next 80 plus 40. 80 plus 40, 120. Now if you observe carefully, 80 plus 70, 150. This is satisfied. 240 plus 120, 360. This is also satisfied. And next here it is the total of 45 plus 25. That is equal to 70. Total number of students in 9th class, that is equal to 70. In that male candidates are 45, female students are 25. Now it is very easy to note down each and every value. Once you got this entire values, all the six values of all three classes, six values in the sense 8th class, ninth class, 10th class male candidates and also female candidates, all together six values. Once you got all these six values, then only you need to go for the problems related to this model, right? Here we got all the information. From that you need to solve the questions accordingly. Look at the first question. Here is the first question. Find the number of male students studying in 8th class is what percentage of number of female students studying in the same class. Here the question is about 8th class. 8th class male students are what percentage of female students, or what percentage of female students. As we are calculating the percentage into 100, percentage symbol, that is a common point, right? Therefore our required percentage is equal to, what is the 8th class male candidates? Here we are talking about 8th class. Numerator and denominator both are 8th class only. 8th class males in the numerator, 8th class females are in the denominator. 8th class males values, that is 80, whereas coming to females, that is 70 into 100. Here 0 gets cancelled. 800 divided by 7. 800 divided by 7. Here it is one time. And next again 10. 10 means again it is one time. Next 30. 30 means 4 times. 114 point. Again 2 is left over. 20. 20 means 2 times. 14. 6. 6 is left over. 60. 60 means 7 8 sir. Now here according to the options, you need to calculate the values up to 2 decimal digits. Up to 2 decimal digits after the decimal point. So your required answer for this question is 114.28 percentage. Here the number of male candidates from 8th class, that is 114.28 percentage of number of female candidates from the same class. That is once look at the options, option A is the right answer for this question. Option A. Let's see the second question. Here is the second question. Find the difference between total number of male and total number of male and total number of female taken from all the classes together. This is not is, this is of. Find the difference between total number of male and total number of female taken from all the classes together. It means total male candidates and total female candidates. Total male candidates and total female candidates. Difference you need to take. Here to first total male candidates, I will write all the values of males. 80, 45, 240. Here in class 8, that is 80 plus 45 plus 240. This is total number of male candidates. Whereas coming to female candidates, 70, 25, 120. 70, 25, 120. First calculate the sum of these two. What you will get? Here it is 80 plus 240. That is 320. 320 plus 45. 365. Minus, here you need to calculate the difference between these two values. As the total number of male candidates are more than the female candidates, you just take the difference between those two. 70 plus 120, 190, 190 plus 25, 215. 190 plus 25, 215, which is equal to, here the difference is 150. 150 is the required difference between total number of male students and total number of female students from all the classes together. That is 150. Among the options, option B is the right answer for this question. Option B. Let us look at the third question. Here is the third question. First of all, I'll write down all the values. 8th, this is ninth, this is 10th, and here also it is 8th, this is ninth, and this is 10th. See, what is the ratio between? Here I have to calculate the required ratio of which numbers. Here we are talking about total number of males studying class 10. Male students studying class 10 to the total number of females studying the same class. Females who are studying 10th class. Now we need to calculate the ratio between those two. Male candidates 10th class, just now we have written that is 240, and female candidates 10th class, that is 120. Female candidates 10th class, that is 120. Now we need to calculate the ratio between these two. Here the ratio between these two, 240 and 120. Here 0 gets cancelled. 12 ones are 12 twos are. Therefore the required ratio between these two values, the required ratio is 2:1. That is the ratio between total number of male candidates from class 10 and total number of female candidates from class 10. That is 2:1. Among the options, option C. Option C is the right answer for this question. Option C. Let us look at the fourth question. Here is the fourth question that we have. See here. The question is number of girls studying class 9 and 10 is what percentage more or less than the number of total number of males studying the same class. See, he is asking us to calculate number of girls. Number of girls in the sense that means female candidates. Female candidates who are studying 9th class and 10th class together. This particular value, what percentage more or less than that of number of male candidates studying the same classes, that is 9th and 10th together. First, what are these two values? You just calculate it. Females 9th and 10th. Here females 9th and 10th 25, 120. Here one value is 25, one value is 120. Whereas coming to male categories, males 9th and 10th. 9th and 10th males are 45 and 240. Here it is 45 plus 240. Here this is 120. Now you just add these two. 120 plus 25, this is 145. And this value is 240 plus 45, 285. Obviously, number of girls who are studying in these two classes is less as comparing with the male candidates. So you need to calculate percentage less than. Basically, how can we calculate percentage less than? That is nothing but difference between those two values. Those two in the sense the values which we are comparing, divided by, when you are calculating percentage less than, in the denominator you need to write down the high value. Difference between those two divided by high value into 100%. Whenever we are calculating percentage into 100, percentage symbol, that is a common point, right? So percentage less than is equal to difference between those two divided by high value into 100. Now the required percentage less than is equal to that is equal to difference between those two, 285 minus 145 divided by high value, which is 285, into 100%. Now the difference is here it is 140 divided by 285 into 100%. Now you just take this value as here you will not get the exact answer, you will get the approximate answer. Why? Because in the denominator Suppose for example, if you go with this kind of calculation, it is 28 times, and this is 5 times, and next 7 times. 28 by 57 into 100. These two values will not cancel. Now if you go with the approximations, just look at the value. 28 twos are 56. If you take the denominator value as 56, it is 28 twos are 56, and it is 50 times. Here you will get the answer in approximate manner. The approximate result is 50 percentage. Approximate result is 50 percentage. It means the number of female candidates of class 9 and 10 together is 50 percentage less than the number of male students from class 9 and 10 together. So among the options, you can go with the option D. Option D is the right answer for this question. Option D, approximately, that is 50 percentage. Now look at the last question, that is fifth one. If 25 new male students join class 8 and 9th in the ratio of 2:3. See, additionally 25 male students are joined in, here we are talking about male students. These 25 male students are joined in 8th class and 9th class in the ratio 2:3. Here total will be having 8th and 9th together 5 parts. So this 25 males is equal to 5 parts. Then 1 part is equal to how much? 5 parts is equal to 25. Then 1 part is equal to 25 by 5, which is 5. 1 part is equal to 5. Now 8th class is having 2 parts. 5 twos are 5 into 2. 10 members are joined in 8th class, and whereas coming to 9th class, 3 parts, 3 into 5, that is equal to 15 members. 15 male students are joined in 9th class, 10 male students are joined in 8th class. Initially in 8th class, we have altogether how many male students are there in 8th class? 80. Whereas in 9th class, 45. 8th class, 80 students. Initially 8th class, 80 male students. 80 male students. And whereas coming to 9th class, initially number of male students are 45. Number of male students are 45. Now after adding these members, after adding 10 members to the 8th class, 15 members to the 9th class, now the total male candidates are changes to, here in class 8 90 members, whereas coming to class 9, that is 60. Class 9 60 members males. Now look at the question what he is asking. Find the difference between. Here you need to find the difference between number of male student from class 8 and class 9 after joining the new student. Number of male student difference. Here we need to calculate the difference between number of male student from 8 and 9 to 8 and 9 after joining new students. Therefore the required difference is equal to required difference. Required difference is nothing but, obviously you need to take the highest value minus lowest value. Here the highest value is 90 and the lowest value is 60. You just subtract those two values, what you will get? 30. 30 is the required difference between number of male students from class 8 and number of male students from class 9 after joining of new students. 30 is the required answer. Once look at the options, 25, 29, 31, 32. These 4 values. The answer is not there in the options, so you can go with the option E, that is none of the given options. But your required answer is 30. 30 is the difference between number of male students of class 8 and class 9 after joining of new students. That is option E. 30 is the right answer, and 30 is not given in any of the 4 options. That is the reason why I am opting for none of these. That is the required answer for this question. In this way, you need to solve the questions based on this model. Guys, I hope you understand each and every problem in this session. Thank you. Thanks for watching.